Let's begin with a brutally honest question. How often have you told yourself, tomorrow I'll finally get my life together? In your mind, the next day always looks perfect. You imagine waking up early, feeling focused, unstoppable. But when morning actually arrives, everything feels different. The alarm rings, you hesitate. One tiny delay becomes several minutes. One quick phone check becomes endless scrolling. And somehow the day disappears again. If this feels familiar, you're experiencing something incredibly common. This isn't a motivation problem. It's a design problem. Your brain thrives on patterns, not random decisions. Without structure, mental energy gets wasted constantly. Most students aren't held back by intelligence. They're held back by inconsistent habits. Too much pressure leads to exhaustion. Too little discipline leads to stress and panic. A balanced routine stabilizes your entire day. Discipline works even when motivation disappears. Mornings are your mind's highest value hours. You don't need extreme wake-up schedules. Consistency beats dramatic effort. Avoid flooding your brain with instant stimulation. Give your mind a slow, calm entry into the day. Light, movement, and hydration activate alertness. Your brain has peak performance windows. Use them for your hardest cognitive work. Deep focus outperforms long, distracted sessions. Work in cycles to prevent fatigue. Real breaks restore mental sharpness. Energy naturally dips during the afternoon. Adapt tasks instead of forcing intensity. Practice-based activities fit low-energy periods. Heavy meals amplify sluggishness. Short resets restore cognitive clarity. Exercise enhances mood and memory functions. Creative time protects long-term motivation. Light evening review strengthens retention. Planning reduces anxiety and mental clutter. Clear intentions calm the mind. Screens disrupt natural sleep rhythms. Replace stimulation with calming rituals. Sleep consolidates learning into memory. Cutting sleep erases cognitive gains. Consistency outperforms intensity. Comparison distorts self-perception. Imperfect days are inevitable. Restarting builds true discipline. A strong routine doesn't limit you, it liberates you. Small actions shape massive outcomes. Momentum is engineered through repetition. Start simple, stay steady, trust the process. Discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow.